Hello, amazing all-stars. It's Mrs. Graham. It's time for us to check our calendar and find out what is on our calendar for Tuesday, September 28th. Oh boy, what color will it be? Can you guess? And what will be on it? Tally marks? Popsicle sticks? Number frames? I wonder. Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. We have a lot of tally marks here. We have 5, 10, so a group of 10 here, 15, 20, another group of 10 here, 25, 26, 27, 28 tally marks. Amazing. Fantastic job. Fantastic job, dears. We are now going to move on to our days in school. Believe it or not, we've been in school now. This is day number 18. So we're going to add another mark here for our days in school, and we'll even add a math equation to help us show the number 18. Today I think I will put 18 plus 0. What math equations can you create that equal the number 18? I'd like to challenge you to write 3 down in your math notebook now. As we continue to talk more about our numbers in our number corner, we're going to collect more coins. We've been collecting pennies and nickels now. Let's spin to find out what our number for the day will be. Will we collect a lot of coins or just a few? Here we go. We have a nickel! And nickels are worth how much, class? 5 cents. Good job. So how much money do we have here so far for this week? If we have a penny we collected yesterday and a nickel we collected today. Pennies are worth, good job, 1 cent. And nickels are worth 5 cents. So if we said 1 penny and 1 nickel, so far we'd have 6 cents. Great job. Great job, all stars. We are about to move back into more of our activities. I want to give you a chance to actually think about our date, September 28th, and I want you to think about, counting on our number line. Do you think that you can count backwards from the number 30 all the way to 0? Here we go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We did it! Yes! Fantastic, all-stars. Very proud of you. I want to introduce a new activity for you today. We did it before, but I want to practice this again with you. We are going to try to play a matching game. With this game, we're going to see if we can try to match a number frame with the math equation below. For example, if I picked this number frame, I have a group of 10 plus 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. So that's 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 plus 6 is the card we're looking for. Can we find that 10 plus 6? There it is. We found a match. These two match. This number frame matches this card, this flashcard. Let's see if we can do another. What if we picked, can we find 10 plus 2? And while we're looking, I need you to actually tell me, what is 10 plus 2? What would that answer be? We found it. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals, if you said the number 12, you are doing an amazing job. Fantastic. We are going to try another card. Whoa. We have a group of 10 plus 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. What is 4 plus 4? I heard you say it. It is 8. So we're looking for the card that says 10 plus 8. While we're looking for the card, can you count and tell me how many dots we have all together? Did you say 18? Fantastic. All stars. And there's the card. I'm going to challenge you throughout the rest of the month to do activities like this with me, where you are actually practicing matching a number frame to an equation. We see the equation, but then we also see the number frame that represents that number. Great job, All Stars. Super proud of you. Have a great day.